Hi everybody, I'm back with another video. This video is going to be me trying different natural hairstyles every day for a week. So 5 days straight I tried a different natural hairstyle. If you know me, like I always put my hair in a bun because it's like easy and I think it looks cute. But since I have absolutely nothing but time, being stuck in the house, I'm like, let me experiment, try different things. I mean, not really experimenting because I've done some of these styles before, but anyway, just trying something different. It gives me a reason to be cute, get some cute selfies with different hairstyles, things like that. Anyway, before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment below, how you've been wearing your hair, if you have a protective style, like if you've been doing it every day, trying different things like I am. And make sure you subscribe to this video because I'm almost at 500 subscribers, which is so crazy. And if I get to 500 by the end of this month, April, I will be doing a cute little giveaway. I'm definitely going to be doing a giveaway when I get to 1,000 subscribers, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully we get there soon. But yeah, stay tuned. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah. Alright, so boom. First hairstyle. As you guys can see, I already had my hair like that. And the week before this one, I had my hair in 2 braids. So I already had the part. So I'm just like adding gel. I watered it. I put water in my hair and some leave-in and oil, of course, to refresh my curls, and just putting it in a ponytail, like basically redoing the style. And I don't pull it all the way through so I can get that cute little flip bun. I know that's hard for some people, but I've been doing buns literally my entire life, so it's second nature to me and super easy. For my edges, I first use the Eco Styler gel, and then I use the Murray's Beeswax edge control. And as you can see, I'm using that little brush. It has like the toothbrush look inside and then a comb on the other side. And I barely ever use the comb, but it is what it is. Yeah, this is me going over it with the edge control wax from Murray's. Okay, so it's day 2. My hair pretty much looks literally the same. Not to expose myself, but I typically don't wear a scarf. I'm pretty sure I wore a scarf this night though, but I sleep on satin pillows unless I have like a hairstyle that I really want to preserve. Like, I'm probably not gonna wear a scarf. But anyway, so I'm adding some gel. I wet the hair, of course. This hairstyle was like my least favorite because I really don't like low sleek hairstyles on me too much. I think my forehead looks like a bubble when I do it. But this hairstyle was kind of cute. I was like so out of it this day, and after this I didn't even keep my hair like this because I was tired and I took a nap and it wasn't gonna work with that hairstyle, so I just put it in like one little bun. But this hairstyle would be cute for the beach, and so I probably will maybe do it again later. And I didn't do my edges too much. I just like brushed them the way that they naturally fall, like whatever. I was like literally so sleepy this day, so yeah, that's why I look just so disinterested. And also because this hairstyle was like also like not my favorite, but I've always wanted to do low buns because I just think it's cute. And then I added some clips for a little razzle dazzle. But yeah, that's the style. Okay, now day 3. I'm adding some gel. My hair already had like leave-in and all that stuff in it, so that's just me. This is my like basically probably my top 2 hairstyles because it's just like a simple little sleek bun. You guys will see how it comes out. So I like this bun to be like super tight. As you can see, like I'm literally freaking tired because woo, it's a workout doing natural hair. And then I just twist it and then I put another rubber band around it and just tie it, and it's just a cute little dumpling. And then I do my edges. Y'all really did not need to see me do my baby hairs for this because I did it the same, but whatever, because that's fun to do. And I just recently last summer learned how to do the cute little swoopy swoop. Like all my entire life I had just been brushing my baby hairs the way that they naturally fall, which is still obviously cute, but I just am thankful that my little sister showed me how to do this, because now I think it elevates bun styles, you know, with the natural cute little bun, a little lip gloss, some hoop earrings, mascara, whatever. Like, it's cute. I think the baby hairs elevate the simple style, because you could either do the bun like regular baby hairs and then whatever, you know. Oh my gosh, why did I do that? And then, like, look at me like pretending like I'm not funny, because that definitely, I was probably definitely still laughing in my mind. But yeah, I spray it with the what is that called, got to be, and then brushed it again. Okay, day 4, same style. See, that stayed pretty well considering the fact that I do not sleep with a scarf, you know. The got to be spray definitely helps to keep a hairstyle for longer. I mean, that's something also I started using recently, but it's still the go in my opinion. And this hairstyle is like also top 2. It's just a simple bun. But it's like a lot fuller than the bun that I had the day before. And then my baby hairs here, I did them just regular, like basically how they fall, but I did brush them just for a little definition, but it's like the same. Boom, day 5. I've done this hairstyle once before, so I kind of like tweaked it. The first time I did it, it took me literally an hour, and this time it took me like about 10 minutes to do. So yeah, obviously I start with the leave-in conditioner. I wet my hair, all that stuff. I parted it, and just to refresh my hair, and I did the same kind of bun. The first time I did it, I added a scrunchie because I think a scrunchie is just like a super cute accessory, and I love that they came back. And then I parted it, and I didn't want to leave too much hair in the front for this swoop because that's what I did the last time, and it was harder to keep down. And then I split it in half, and I'm running the leave-in through that part. I had to soak that entire part because when you have gel in your hair all day, like every day, and you have it brushed and all that stuff, like it needs to be refreshed. So I'm adding edge control, gel. Well, I had to go back and add because I forgot. But anyway, so yeah, that's what I'm adding, and then brushing it, and then adding the got to be spray just to get it like super sleek, well, as sleek as possible. I know that I'm washing my hair today, so I wasn't like too pressed to get it absolutely perfect, but I also did want to take selfies today just because, you know, taking selfies is fun. Like that was the point of this video, like giving me a reason to not look like a bum every single day, because I had not been like getting cute. And when I don't feel cute, like I don't even want to do anything. Like I don't want to clean. I don't want to do my homework. Like I just got to be cute to be in a good mood. So yeah, this is basically the point of me trying all this stuff, which I kind of mentioned in the beginning. So then I use that clip to like hold it down a little bit, and I'm just brushing over it. I'm pretty sure this is my last time that I go brushing through the hair, and then adding the clip, and then I add the clip to like the back of my hair. I kind of just line the rest of the swoop to the rest of my hair, and then clip that down in the back. And this is me doing my edges for the 1000th time, and little swoopy swoops. And yeah, this is pretty much the hairstyle. Yeah, so here I'm pretty much finished. Just gonna add some got to be spray in the end. This is like the look you guys will see in like literally 1 second. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the hairstyles. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in my next video.